Hello from a little bit near CERN. I'm back after having done my first full shift on the Atlas detector this summer. So, what is a shift, you might be wondering? Essentially, the Atlas detector is a really big machine, and we run it day and night sometimes. So, you need to have people watching the machinery, making sure that it's taking data, making sure that it's running, making sure that things aren't breaking. Essentially, that's what a shift is. People who do data taking on Atlas end up usually volunteering to do shifts on the detector because, well, you need it for your science, so you might as well help keep it running. I'm doing a PhD that uses data from Atlas, and so I've been given the opportunity to do shifts. I did some last year, I'm doing some this year. I do a shift that is called run, control, and trigger. Essentially, within Atlas, we have a bunch of different tables who do different jobs. So you have multiple people doing shifts at the same time. Run, control, and trigger's job is to start the run and stop the run. Essentially, start data taking, stop data taking. It involves implementing the triggers, which are essentially these keys that tell the machine what it should be triggering off of. So, aka what sort of data it should be taking. And then data quality checks as well. It makes sure that the data we are taking is good data. So that's what my job is sort of doing, as well as turning off certain pieces of the machinery if certain people need that. Today was a really interesting day because we did Vandermeer scans. Essentially, a Vandermeer scan is this process that we usually run the detectors like Atlas or CMS through every now and again, and its job is it helps with calibrating the luminosity of the machines. So it is kind of an important thing that we do. Now, that means we didn't really get data taking during the Vandermeer scans, but that's all right, because it's still important. It allows us to take better data later down the line. Anyways, there'll be more shifts coming, more updates coming. I think tomorrow is going to be some proton-proton collisions. That's exciting. Anyways, if you're interested in physics, I do physics videos, and if you're interested in CERN, shifts at CERN, well, I'm currently here doing my shifts, so ask me some questions. And you'll probably get a few more updates over this weekend as I do some shifts, and then next weekend as I do some more shifts. Anyways, stay curious, and I'll see you next time. Take care.